Welcome. Take a few moments to make yourself as comfortable as possible in your position. Sitting upright with your back, neck, and head held straight but not too tight. Your body alert yet relaxed. Roll back your shoulders and tuck the chin towards your chest. Rest your hands in your lap, and when you have settled, gently close your eyes. Arrive to the present moment. Feel your body in contact with the ground. Acknowledge the line where the ground and the body meet each other. Feel in contact with the surface and the way it is supporting you. Allow this support to give you a sense of ease and trust. Trust that you're right where you're meant to be. Everything is as it should be. Nothing needs correcting in this moment. Everything evolves moment by moment, naturally. With each sip of the air, with each mindful and kind thought, making any last adjustments here before we bring our bodies to complete stillness, sinking deep down into the space. Whenever possible, soften and release any areas of physical tension, as we will now shift our gentle focus on the breath. Breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth, letting it all go. Allowing all tension to leave your body. Even slower now, breathing in deeply, filling your lungs with air. Hold at the top for just a moment, and exhale slowly and steadily. Release the breath, allowing all tension to disappear. And now, allowing the breath to return to its natural, soothing rhythm. Just simply observe the breath. Noticing how your belly rises on the inhale, comes to stillness, and falls right back down again as you begin to breathe out. Noticing how the abdomen expands with the in-breath and contracts with the out-breath. Allowing the breath to flow freely. There is no rushing. Simply observe the movements of your belly as the air flows in through the nose and comes back out through the mouth. Allowing any thoughts that come up to be acknowledged with patience and compassion. And at times you may become distracted. It's perfectly fine. If you notice that your thoughts have strayed, try to imagine your thoughts as individual clouds just passing by in the sky. Observe them from afar, watching them come and watching them go. They're all in different shapes, forms, and sizes. There's no need to engage with them. Simply allow them to pass by on their own, and come back to the sensations of your breathing. And allow yourself to sink just a little deeper as we will begin to scan the body part by part. Shift your attention to the crown of your head and scalp, observing whatever is happening in this area. There may be pressure, tightness, or tingling, throbbing, or soft vibrations. There may be strong sensations or nothing at all. Just notice the neutral feeling of your head as best as you can, calming your reaction to any sensation you may experience without indulging in them or attempting to push them away. Simply notice them and neutralizing your reaction to them. Lowering your attention to the forehead and face. Notice any sensations in this whole area. Scanning your eyes, nose, cheeks, lip, and chin. Relax all muscles here. Loosen your jaw, where we store a lot of tension from the day. Relaxing the space between your eyebrows. Observing your ears, the temples, any tightness or throbbing, heat or coolness. Observe these sensations with great attention. Allow your entire face to become soft. Lowering attention to your front and back of your neck. Noticing the temperature around your neck. Is it warm or cool? Observing your throat. See if you can allow this area to become more soft. And if that's not possible, it's okay. Just let it be and relax. Moving down to the shoulders, allow your shoulders to drop completely, releasing any tension that you may have been holding here from the day. Notice any further sensations around this area. Softening this area with gentle breaths, letting it become the focus of your attention just for a moment longer. Lowering your attention to the collarbones and the chest. Noticing how your breath moves in and out of your body, with particular focus on those areas that rise and fall with the breath. If you can, tune into the rhythmic beating of your heart within your chest, as well as the lungs expanding on either side of your heart. Simply experiencing and feeling your chest, the muscles on the chest wall, the entirety of the front of your body. Breathing pure relaxation into this area. Shifting your attention to the upper abdomen, below the chest, and above the belly button. Experiencing the rise and the fall as you breathe. Feeling the movements of your diaphragm. Shift your attention to the lower abdomen, below the belly button and sit bone. Notice any sensations or lack if you're experiencing in this area of your body. Release all tension as you sink even deeper into a state of relaxation. Extending this gentle curiosity to your left arm. Notice any particular sensations in your arm, the elbow, lower arm, wrist, hand, fingers. You might even notice that some sensations come and then go. Strong sensations may become subtle, and subtle sensations strong. Try your best not to judge these feelings. Everything you observe is perfectly fine. Bring forth your breath into these areas, allowing them to soften. Moving to the right arm, noticing any particular sensations in your arm, your elbow, lower arm, wrist, hand, and fingers. Relax. Allowing the field of your awareness to move towards your left leg, your left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, and toes. Noticing any sensations here and letting them go. Moving to the right leg, your right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, and toes. And now, allowing the breath to move through the entire length of your body. All your muscles relaxed. Your mind simply aware of this relaxation and letting it be. Aware of the flow of the breath. Experiencing your entire body breathing. And without holding any judgment, any frustration or anger, decide to release what is holding you back, whatever it may be. Maintain this intention within your mind as you take a few deep breaths. Breathing in through the nose, feeling the chest and the belly rise as the air flows into your lungs. And breathing out through the mouth slowly, noticing how these same parts fall back into relaxation as you exhale again. breathing in deeply through the nose and breathing out slowly and gently. Rest in this gentle awareness. Your body is calmly centered and grounded, all tension melting away. Slowly begin to return to your surroundings. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Move your head from side to side. Come back to your body with gentle awareness. And when you are ready, open your eyes.